Good morning guys, welcome back to the vlog. I feel like every single time I start my vlogs I'm either out of the shower or out of bed, but I hope you guys are having a fantastic day so far today. He's just gone down for a nap, so I said I'd hop into the shower, get Paddy to watch him. I need to obviously moisturize my skin, get dressed and stuff. Yeah, I just said I'd do that while he's napping. So yeah, we're 3 weeks postpartum today. It's so crazy. I'm starting to kind of feel like myself, and I still haven't filmed my birth story because my room is in a mess, and I just wanted to kind of have the background neat and tidy, and the room is in a state. So while he's napping, I'm going to gather up all of his clothes and presents that he got and sort through them in our room and just kind of like clear out my room, because I really want to film the birth story like either today or tomorrow, and I know I keep saying it, but anyway, we'll get to it eventually. So today, like I said, 3 weeks postpartum, and I'm starting to feel like myself. I really am starting to have a lot more energy, even though I'm like sleep deprived from a newborn. But what I mean is, like, I feel like my body has more energy in it. I can walk a little bit further. I'm looking forward to my 6-week doctor's appointment where she can sign me off for exercise and a little bit more walking and stuff. I think I might have mentioned that in my last vlog, but I am dying to get back out exercising. The weather has gotten so much nicer and I just really want to be out and about. We put Noah in his buggy last week and he really likes it. I got the eye candy buggy, if I didn't mention that before, but it is a really nice buggy and he seems to really like it, and he naps in it and everything, which is crazy. Like when we're out walking with him, like he actually really enjoys it. And we had a lovely garden party. Like I say garden party, there was like Paddy's mum and dad, his nan, my friend Jenna and her partner Will were down on Sunday, and we were all out in the back garden eating. It was just so nice, and I put on like a dress and I just felt really good. Like I said, I'm starting to kind of feel like myself. I'm not really able to hold adult conversations at the moment, which anybody who has a newborn can totally relate. Like when people come over, I'm like, help yourself. I just can't entertain at the moment, but like I said, I'm getting much better every single day. I'm gonna sort my life out before Noah starts stirring. Okay, so all these presents are going into the other room for me to sort through them, because we've got a crazy amount of clothes here for a newborn baby. How is this even possible? There's all his current clothes put away. Actually, this is too big for him, and so is his little Castleknock jersey, which is not going to fit him for a long time. He's nearly grown out of these. These are his like first little outfit that I brought him home in the hospital, and he's almost grown out of it. It's crazy. Like, I just can't believe how quickly he's growing. And all his vests, these are the only ones that fit him. He'll be going into the 0 to 3 months soon. I just can't believe how quickly he's growing. I'm sorting through most of the clothes. These are newborn or up to 3 months, 0 to 3. These are, I think, 3 to 6. Yeah, they're 3 to 6. These are 6 to 9, and then these are 12 to 18. So I have them all kind of sorted. These are 0 to 3 as well, so these are going to go in with this pile here. Look how cute this is. My little cousin Lucy and Rachel and Philip, my little cousins, got this. It's so cute. It's like a little 3-piece. There's a blankie that comes with it as well, but that's in the wash currently, so I'm just going to put this in the pile here because these are his next clothes. I have a lot of clothes for him already for 0 to 3 months. Like there's loads of them. There's a lot of blankies here, so I want to put them under the bed. And then like his little shorts and tops, these are all 0 to 3 months. So we're fed and he's in his little boppy chair thing with a little pillow whilst I finished doing this, because he's really calm right now. So I'm just going to finish putting away all these bits and pieces. I meant to show you guys this. This is Sophie the giraffe. Amy got me this. It's the little giraffe from Two Men and a Little Baby, and I didn't realise it because I've never copped onto it. Everybody has these little giraffes for their babies. They're so cute, so I'm really grateful for that. Amy got me that, and she got me like loads of these like little cups and this little chewable thing, spoons and keys. Actually, I think the spoons are from Laura's mum. That's Paddy's twin, his partner. They're her parents got this, and then this little 5-piece outfit, which is really cute. So I have all my 3 to 6 months here. Oh, somebody's giving out. 3 to 6 months here are 0 to 3 and up to 3 months and 0 or newborn. So these are all clothes that he can fit in now. Clothes he'll fit in when he's 3 months old or coming up to 3 months. 3 to 6, and then like I said, 6 to 9. So I think that's everything. We're going to put it away and get rid of all the, not get rid of all the presents, but put all the presents away, and then I can get gift cards done up for them to send people to thank them, obviously, for all these wonderful gifts. Like, I'm so blown away. And I have loads of things here as well, like little hats that Laura and Shane got him for when he's a little bit older. They got these gorgeous little bibs. They're so cute with little elephants on them. They're like little bandana bibs. And then they got some socks as well. So everything is... Anyway, I'm going to put all these away while he's calm in his little boppy thing. But I'm just so blown away by all the gifts and so thankful. Okay, yeah, I'm going to end today's vlog. I just put on some white noise for him and he's starting to go to sleep. He's so tired. I don't know what the problem is. He just is fighting sleep. I'm going to just keep my focus on him for the rest of the day, and if I do get a minute later on, I'll have a chat with the... Paddy is working from home, so he should be finished around 6, which is in 2 more hours, and he's going to relieve me then in 2 more hours so I can like organise myself. Because I don't know, I'm going around looking like a mess the last few days, or last few weeks. But anyway guys, I will talk to you later on. He's gone to sleep. I have the white noise on and he literally fell asleep within like 2 minutes. That's the first time I've tried that before, but I read it on a forum because I thought that possibly he could have colic. I'm not really sure because we've had a couple of rough evenings of crying. Not crying, like it's like that moaning sound. So somebody recommended in a forum, if you think the baby has colic, white noise. So I just put on 10 hours worth of white noise on YouTube and he's dozing away. I'm so shocked. Hi guys, so it's the next day. I got Noah settled yesterday in the end and he's sleeping on the bed currently. So I said I would film my birth story right now since I have a bit of time, and I've just been roaming around the house trying to get him settled for the last while. He hasn't been settled the last 2 days. I'm not really sure what's going on. He could be having like a growth spurt or something. I don't know, but he's been very like unsettled, not crying, but just like really kind of just giving out sort of thing. So anyway, yeah, I'm going to film my birth story today. It's Friday. I'm so excited for Friday. I was really looking forward to the weekend because it's the bank holiday and my cousin was coming home from London. I haven't seen him since my poor nanny passed away and we had her funeral mass, and I haven't seen Dylan since then, and he was really eager to get home. He's a bit homesick at the moment. I mean, he's lived in London for like, I don't know, like maybe 12, 13 years, but he's just starting to feel a bit homesick, especially after my grandparents passed away and then I had the baby and everything. So he really wanted to get home, but company he was flying with, is it EasyJet, just randomly cancelled the flights, which was really annoying. So now he has to reschedule the flight and he had to like pay for a new reschedule. They weren't just rescheduling him, which is really annoying. So instead what he's doing is he's just coming at the end of the month, but I'm so disappointed. He was supposed to be coming this weekend, but you know, it is what it is, and I'll get to see him at the end of the month. He's like fully vaccinated and everything, so he still has to do like a negative PCR and things like that, but it seems to be a little bit easier now once you're vaccinated to travel and stuff, which makes sense. Anyway, I am going to set my camera up. I want to put on some lashes, even though I'm just filming a video. It's probably pointless, but still I just want to put some lashes on. I haven't put makeup on in a long time and I just wanted to put some makeup on and lashes and whatnot and sit down and film this video. I literally am going to have about an hour, so I'm going to try and fly through it. Sitting down to film it is not as easy as it used to be. I used to just pop the camera on, sit down, film. Now it's like a whole thing where you have to get the baby settled and it's not as easy as sitting down. I know it will get easier over time, but that's why vlogging is just going to be the way forward for me for the next little while. I'm not going to be doing any makeup content and I'm so annoyed because I have like a couple of foundations that I want to try out for you guys. Some from Essence, one from YSL. And it's just not possible because I can't dedicate that time to organising myself to do a video with a 3-week-old. It's just not possible. But anyway, we're going to get this video done today, and any other future content will probably be vlogs once a week, which I hope you guys are okay with. So I'm super excited. I eventually got to finish my video. Baby Noah woke up. So I'm going to go downstairs and put him into his Moses basket while I edit this video, because I think he's out for the count. He's not due a feed for another hour or so. I think we might get an hour out of him. And yeah, I'm going to try and edit this video. I don't know when it's going up because it all depends on how long it's going to take to edit, and you know, I don't know how long I even have to edit anymore, because you think that you have time to do things and then you don't, because you think, oh, he's gonna be down for like the next 5 hours, but that never happens. He only ever sleeps for like 30 minutes or like 2 hours, and you just can never tell. Anyway, I'm gonna try and edit the video while I am like awake and in the form of editing it, and hopefully it'll be up on Monday or Tuesday. It could even be up over the weekend. I could even have it up today if I am in like form to edit for that long. But I do have a vlog that I want to go up as well soon, so that's why I'm like keen to get my birth story out. Happy Saturday, everyone. I'm going to meet my friend Neve for some coffee this morning. We are going to sit outdoors because outdoors is now open in Ireland. Hallelujah. It's not great today, but I do know where we're going. There's like a canopy and stuff, so I'm really excited just to get out of the house. It feels like forever since I went and sat in a cafe or sat outside and had tea or anything. Like, I'm just really excited, and I'm excited to meet Neve, and then I think she's coming back here to meet baby Noah, so I'm very excited to see her, just to hang out with her and chat and catch up, because I just need, you know, I need like a morning where I'm just like chatting to a friend. I'm only going for an hour and Noah is fast asleep. There was a bit of an explosion this morning, so we were just cleaning him up, and now he's sleeping in his little swing thing, so I'm going to head out. We had a great night with him last night. Actually, he slept so well. He woke at 3 and 6. No, was it? No, hang on. Let me start that again. We got him down around 10, so we went to bed around 11. We were watching The Handmaid's Tale, and he slept till 2, woke up again at 6, and then he went back to sleep till 10. So I slept until 10 o'clock this morning. I know we had like 2 feeds in the middle of the night, but it was fine. I feel really refreshed this morning. Paddy got up at 6 this morning. He did Noah's second feed, and then he just got up and was doing some work. I was like, oh my god, he must be exhausted, because I'm exhausted even like thinking about getting up at 6 o'clock in the morning. So I'm off to meet Neve. I'm so excited just to be out and get my coffee, and oh, it's just very excited. I'm so happy that Ireland's coming out of like lockdown slowly but surely, because it just brings a bit of normality back into your life. I think the last like 5-6 months just been locked into our houses, and you can't go anywhere, you can't go out and meet anyone for tea or coffee or go for lunch or dinner. It's just been super hard. Never mind the fact that you couldn't get like your hair, nails or anything done. It's just been so hard, and I know like I was pregnant and everything, but there's things I would have loved to have done. Like, I would have loved to have spent more time with the girls. I would have loved to have like a baby shower. I would have loved to have gone away with Paddy, and the two of us had like a nice weekend away somewhere down the country. But like, it's just, it is what it is, I guess. The hotels have opened as well, and we are, like I said, supposed to be going away in the end of June, but I still haven't made up my mind whether I want to go or not. It's just that Noah will be only like, he'll be only 7-8 weeks, and I'm not sure if I'm ready to be away from him for a night, but we'll see when the time comes. Like, Mum's like, go, but I don't know. I'll see when the time comes. It's just, he's very little, and even last night when Paddy was doing the second feed, the 6 o'clock feed, and he wasn't settling, Noah wouldn't go back to sleep, and I just held him and he just fell asleep on me, and I just put him into his little Moses basket, and he slept then till 10. But you know, I'd just be afraid if I wasn't there that he wouldn't, I don't know, you know, it's like new mother stuff. I'm just like, if I wasn't there, would he settle without me? And then like, if I wasn't there and he did settle without me, does that mean like he doesn't need me? It's so weird, like your emotions. I'm actually having like an awful time with night sweats. I don't know if anybody ever got them postpartum, but I'm getting them so frequently, like almost every single night. I wake up drowned, like my pajamas are literally soaking wet. And I was reading up on it and it said like it's a hormonal thing, the night sweats. It's like after you have a baby, like your body is like getting rid of extra hormones and getting rid of any extra fluid that I had, and the night sweats are a thing. But I just never heard anybody discuss them before, and they are such a real thing. Like they're really intense. Like it feels like you've jumped into a shower really quickly and then jumped out with all your clothes on. That's how I wake up feeling every morning. It's just awful. I just hope that passes quickly. It only started in the last 10 days, so I don't know why it's so late to come on me. You know, I thought it would have happened like straight after having the baby. Nearly finished editing my birth story, so that should be up this weekend. Actually, it'll probably be up on Monday because this weekend Ollie is home. So I'm going to spend some time with my sister. I haven't seen her in like 2 weeks and she's like dying to see Noah again. Like she hasn't seen him in ages. It's so funny because any sponsorships that I've been asked to do, like before I had Noah, it was like I don't have time because I'm working in a full-time job. And now any sponsorships I've gotten in the last couple of weeks, I've been like, I'm sorry, I can't, I have a newborn. So I'm on maternity anyway. I still like to do like little bits and pieces of YouTube, and I just feel like for the last year, like I've been preoccupied with another job and now a baby, and I just haven't done anything for YouTube in so long. I just actually cannot dedicate the time. Like yesterday was a joke trying to get organized to film a video. It was just not happening. So I just couldn't give my all to sponsored content. Like it would not be my best work. Anyway, I'm just here now, so I'm going to love yous and leave yous, and I might chat with you later on. If not, then I'll just end the vlog right now and I will talk to you very, very soon.